So, right. In the past few weeks, I've done a lot of sewing, especially on this channel, and I'm just getting a bit bored of it. Well, not bored, but I feel like I need a change of pace. So I thought I'd try woodworking. I have this plank of wood, and I'm going to try and turn it into, hopefully, a birdhouse. I've not done any kind of woodworking before, but it can't be that difficult. My thoughts to woodworking are the same as driving, in that yes, it's a skill, but so many people drive and so many people woodwork that it's got to be a skill that's easy to pick up, otherwise so many people wouldn't be doing it. I have a saw, I have a hammer, and I have 2 sizes of nails because I'm a professional. And I have a pencil, and I do have, I do have a measuring tape. I think the first thing that I need to do, so the first thing I need to make is a cube, and then I can think about drilling a hole and maybe adding a roof, but that's secondary. Ignore how dirty my carpet is, I'm gonna hoover. But I thought as I'm gonna be getting sawdust and everything, it doesn't matter, it's fine. 8 inches, blimey. That's about a straight line. Oh my god, this is gonna be so much hard work. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't even check the back bit, that there's a part on there. Oh. That'll be on the inside, the birds won't mind. Okay, so, got the 2, where's my pencil? I can't think without a pencil in my hand. The 2 smaller bits that go like that, the 2 medium bits that go, oh my god, stand upright please, I'm gonna have an aneurysm. Let's have a go. Let's flip that. What am I doing? What? Up to there. With an added chunk. Ow! Fuck! Oh my god, saws are sharp. Okay, everything's fine. I should not leave a saw standing upright, that's a bit stupid of me. Ow, my god. I'm sweating my tits off. I have a splinter. And I'm already taking back what I said about woodwork being a skill that's easy to learn. I don't really know what I've done because half the pieces don't fit now. So I'm just gonna duct tape them together. So stupid. Oh no, oh, fuck's sake. Okay, so basically I just need a lid. Oh my god, it is the right, it's like so I think the hole should be there, but I will figure out how to make a hole. Look at that, that's kind of a birdhouse. Oh my god. I have a drill. I feel like I shouldn't be trusted alone with this one. We're gonna drill. Okay, maybe we're not. Why wouldn't it stick in there? Oh, there we go. Okay, right. Second try. I'm really worried that my hand's going to get caught in there and I'm not going to have a hand, and no one near me drives, so if I need to go to A&E I'm a bit fucked. Everything's fine, it's all okay. Oh, shit on it. How do I not have it do that? Oh my god. Oh, this is dreadful. Oh my god, clamps. That's a good idea. Okay, I only have one of these, so. Pray for me. Oh, it's still moving. Oh my god. Come on, that's got to be close enough, please. I don't want to do this anymore. Shut it out. Come on. Yes! You know what? The inside's gross and I don't care. It's gonna... It's fine, everything's fine. I did it. Oh my god, I'm never doing that again. We have a hole! I think what I'm gonna do is nail it all together apart from this top bit. Oh, actually, oh my god, no. I forgot something. I'm gonna drill a hole in the top part. I can't bother to do a roof anymore because that's too much thought process, I can't do it. So I'm gonna just drill a hole there so I can put a string in it and hang it up. I did it! Let's start hammering this bitch. I don't really know, like, or when do you use screws or when do you use hammer and nails? That is. Maybe I should be using screws. Okay, so I think I don't. I know. I think I should be using the screws. I'm gonna drill a hole into the wood and then try and put the screw in. I think. Come on, don't skip. Oh my god, please don't skip. Come on. No! I need a smaller drill bit. God damn it. Oh shit. I'm just looking at this, realizing the dimensions of this birdhouse are very small, and the hole is also very small. And I think whilst I'm editing this, I might Google like what bird could physically fit inside this. My goal is, as long as it's better than like the nest that pigeons build for themselves. Ow! Fuck, that's hot. Oh, my friction creates heat. Did you know? But yeah, as long as it's better than the houses that pigeons build for themselves, I will be happy. Oh shit. Wait, did that work or not? Maybe that screw doesn't even need to attach. Can you see the issue? Ow, fuck. Yeah, see that there? That's kind of not really where it's meant to be. I need to put the door on, but I thought it'd be cool to have a little hinge so I can, you know, do that. But the only hinge I've got is off the back of this old photo frame. So I'm just gonna rip this apart and we'll make it work. Okay, if I only drill like the top and bottom of one side, so like there and there, then surely it'll still hinge open. Ow, fuck. I mean, that kind of works, to be honest. Hell yeah. Oh my god, is that it? Okay, so on the birdhouse, there's quite a few like gaps, and I know this much that you can mix wood glue with sawdust and fill in those gaps. And I've got so much sawdust in my carpet that I will have a go at that. I'm honestly having so much fun doing this. It sounds stupid because I know that this probably doesn't look like the best woodworking project ever, but I am having fun. It feels like grown-up Lego or grown-up Meccano. I encourage anyone watching to pick up a plank of wood and try and make a birdhouse. Right, the wood glue is pretty much dry, so I'm going to go in with a Stanley knife and get rid of all like the bulbous excess bits, mainly on the back. It's like bread. Wait, I have a fucking belt sander, oh my god. Fucking hell, oh my god. Kind of terrifying. So I'm going to paint the entire box a brick colour, and then we'll see how that looks. Oh my god, ew. Well, that's a good noise. Right, so that's kind of it for the video, I guess. I have a birdhouse now. It turned out really cute. I mean, it's a bit wonky. Yeah, guess I can... Can I tick woodworking off the skills list? Can I take it off my bucket list? I've made something out of wood? Yes. Would I say it's like successful? I don't know, a bird could definitely live in this, albeit a small one. But I'm going to keep it indoors because I don't want them to ruin my paint job because it took me ages. Well, it's a bit like the TARDIS, but like a cottagecore version.